So if you have joined us on the ForzaCommercial.com website, then you know that we've been live streaming a build process of a Dutch Bros in Athens, Tennessee. This setup here from OxBlue is what you are viewing the site from. So OxBlue has been our partner here on that. What you're looking at here is a 2,200 square foot Dutch Bros, and our attempt here is to get this built in 101 days. A typical Dutch Bros is 980 square feet, so we're actually about 2.5 times larger than what a prototype building is. Part of the reason is we ended up buying an old Taco Bell and we reused the foundation. Our intent was to remodel the project, but instead of being able to do that, we had a building that was structurally unsound, so we actually had to rip it down. But what you're looking at here is the original Taco Bell slab that's right here. So we repurposed the slab and we used that. It saved us quite a bit of time on entitlements. No customers will be allowed to come in the building, just employees, but the inside is coming along nicely. You can see here that all of the electric has been roughed in and is ready to roll for finished electrician work. And we're in here, we got framers everywhere, so it's kind of crazy and loud. There'll be a drive-through window down there, and then they'll have 4 barista machines here set up inside this building. But we got all the plumbing done. You can see our crew here. There's the True North crew, and we've got Russ with Russ. Everybody say hello. Hello. Got the T for True North. These guys have been all over it. So look those guys up out of Missouri. They've been amazing to work with. A Dutch does not typically have a office, and so this one is a little bit unique where it has an office. There's nothing quite like the feeling, by the way, of watching some sub just ram a scaffolding ladder into your door jamb that you just paid for, and just watching them just ruin things. But that's every job site, and so we'll get off the phone and go help that gentleman understand how I feel about that. Interesting soil out here in Tennessee. Got this red clay, which is never good, by the way. Every time you see clay, it means water, so that's usually not good. But got a couple more pieces of trenching here that we got to get taken care of. Next week, we'll get some of the concrete curbing going in. We're a couple weeks out from getting the asphalt in. One of the nice parts about building here in Tennessee versus somewhere like where I'm from in Salt Lake is that you don't have as many asphalt blackout time periods here. It doesn't get as bad on the cold weather. You can see we got the parking lot light pole bases set, and then we'll pour those when we get the concrete curbing going next week. And here's our drive-throughs where all the magic happens. So this will be a nice big drive-through here for Dutch. They should be able to stack somewhere around 12 to 18 cars in this drive-through and really queue up drinks for people. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you've been enjoying our live stream process. And we look forward to getting the store open soon so everybody can enjoy delicious frozen and blended beverages here in the Athens area. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to check out more information on our webpage, ForzaCommercial.com. You can follow this project start to finish on the live stream, and feel free to join us there and find out more information about us and our company. Thank you.